Howdy, hey, Star Fam. Today, just wanted to make a little video about Capricorn Prometheus and some settings. Some settings that a user in YouTube comments had made me aware of, like, weren't the same for them, and maybe it isn't the same in the stock default version. So I want to show you how to change some stock settings if you're doing constellational astrology. That's, yeah. And what I'm talking about is the bi and tri wheel functions where, like if I show you this, you'll see that all the all the zodiacal constellations are accurately represented in this zodiac. And there's a couple names for zodiacs like this. And when we're doing work, we're doing like natal chart work, we want to be able to see the star groups as accurately as we can. But sometimes when we go to do like a multi-wheel, let's see. I'm told that this view doesn't come up, but what comes up is like a generic default even sign wheel. So I want to show everybody how to change that. So up here in astrology settings, we're going to open preview wheel design down here at the bottom. And it gives us the options, and this is actually where you can change your default wheel for like this view, like this view, the general view. That's the top option, preview wheel design. What we're interested in today especially is bi and tri wheel, because by default these aren't going to be set to bi wheel zodiac 13 basic wheel. I think it's actually set by default to bi wheel 1, maybe bi wheel like 1A or something. But what we want to do is out of this list, we want to carefully select bi wheel zodiac 13 basic wheel. And that gives us the option to do, constellationally accurate bi-wheel. And likewise for the tri-wheel, there are only, so this, by the way, is the view I think is its default by when you install Prometheus. And you can just go into these settings and select Zodiac 13 basic wheel and OK and save on that down here. And pow. Now, when we generate a multi-wheel, we're looking at it, and all three wheels reflect the constellational data that we want. All right, friends, that's a pretty short topic with a pretty simple solution. Thank you. I honestly forget. I just sort of made this video impromptu. I forget the name or the handle of the YouTube user who alerted me to this, but thank you. And thanks to everyone who brings discrepancies and things that don't make sense to my attention. Yeah, that's all for now. Ciao.